Welcome to Baby-Led Piano. Today I'm going to teach you one of my favorite songs out of Songs to Sing and Fingerplays. Pecking Chicks. Pecking Chicks has a few concepts, and today we're going to focus on developing good hand position for your baby. You don't force your baby to do any of this. Remember, you just show your baby. That's why it's called Baby-Led Piano, because your baby is going to show you when they're ready to do it by doing it. Your baby wants to be just like you, and so you get to show them something you want them to do. So grab your baby and your copy of Pecking Chicks. You can download it below, and let's go. So here's this cute book. See how those cute little chickens? Those remind you that we're going to make our hands look like little chickens. And we're going to use the 2 black keys. These are easy to find. Your baby can feel them. Your baby might not be able to tell which one is 2 and which one is 3 for quite a while, but you can still show them. And here's all you do. You make your hand into these little chicken heads, and here's why. Your baby's hands are made of soft cartilage. They don't have any bones in them yet. And we don't want your baby to be developing this kind of fingers, because these aren't healthy for piano playing and they don't make a beautiful sound. So if you show your baby to do this, they will eventually copy you, and their little fingers will be supported by their little thumb, which is also soft cartilage, but together it will be stronger. It'll help your baby to develop good wrist motion and good form with their hands, so that later, when they're bigger and they actually have bones in their fingers, they can play with strong and well-shaped hands. So we're going to just do this on the 2 black keys. It goes like this. Peck, 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 pecking, pecking, peck, peck. A simple little song, one of the first songs your baby's gonna play when they're ready to do it. This is gonna be super fun for them because they will love being able to copy you with something that is simple enough for them to do when they're ready. So we're gonna talk another day about what these notes mean. But today, you can just start using your little chicken heads to show your baby how to play. Remember, never force your baby to play. Let them join in when they feel ready. Your baby knows when they're developmentally ready to do things, and they'll show you. You can use this toy piano if this is what you have. And even if you have a regular keyboard or piano, this is fun for your baby, and they can do the same thing here. Peck, 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 pecking, pecking, peck, peck. They can use their little chicken heads right on there. It's easy. And they can even use their feet. This one's really fun, even if you have a regular piano. This is fun for babies and toddlers to use, and it doesn't hurt them. The pitch is not too bad. It's not bad. It's not fantastic. It's not an acoustic piano by any means. It's a toy. But it's fun for your baby to learn how to do up and down. So you can use the toy. You can download Pecking Chicks below. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. And if you have questions, please be sure to ask in the comments below, and I will try to answer your questions in upcoming videos. Until then, have so much fun playing Pecking Chicks with your babe. Okay, see you later.